Hello students, yesterday we have done noun, common noun and proper noun. So I hope you have done exercise also which I have given you yesterday. Let's start the other exercise also, but before that we shall revise the noun, common noun and proper noun again. So naming words are also called noun. It is as simple as, like we are saying, the name of person, place, animal and thing is a noun, and there are two types which we are doing, that is common naming word means common noun, special naming words means proper noun. So common naming words or common noun can be said that the common name of any person, place or thing, and special naming words are that person, place or a thing having their particular name. The things, the place, the person that has particular name is called proper noun. And one more thing I want to remind you again, that is that all proper noun begin with the capital letter. Means जो भी proper nouns होंगे उनका जो first letter होगा वो capital होगा. So let's see the more examples. Like I have given you yesterday about the days, all the weekdays which have their particular name, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. Same as months, January, February, March, April and so on. About the cities, Mumbai, Delhi, Kochi, Chennai, Bengaluru, Calcutta and many more. States, Punjab, Kerala, Maharashtra, Nagaland and Sikkim. Monuments, again building, Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, Red Fort and all other examples which they have given us, such as about the river, mountains, country, language, book, festival, newspaper. These all are the common nouns and they are having their special name which we can say the proper noun. So I request you all read this table and try to remind everything while doing your exercise. So let's start with the exercise now. First, A exercise, circle all the nouns. Now in this exercise we have to circle all the nouns. Means each and every noun we have to circle without considering proper noun and common noun. इसमें हमने सारे nouns circle करने हैं. हमने ये नहीं देखना कि कोई proper noun है या common noun है. जितने भी nouns एक लाइन में आते हैं हमने उतने सारे ही nouns जो हैं वो circle करने हैं. So let's start with the first one. Shahid and Majid went to the Bhopal railway station with their father. So I'll circle Shahid, Majid, Bhopal railway station and father. So Shahid, Majid is a name of person and this we will also consider as a person. So I have circled this. Bhopal railway station is a place, so we will circle Bhopal railway station. So accordingly other 7 sentences you have to do, and if you have any problem you can ask me anytime. So let's go to the B exercise now. Underline the common nouns, circle the proper noun. So here we have to underline the common noun and circle the proper nouns. So now you have to check out which is the common noun and which is the proper noun. So first of all we will see in first sentence. First is Rima wants to go to the adventure island. Here we will see which is the common noun. Rima wants to go to the adventure island. So I'll circle Rima. It is a particular name of a person and it is a proper noun, so I have circled it. Then I'll circle adventure island. Here this is the name of the island, particular name of the island, adventure island, and I have not found any of the common noun in this, so we will move to the second one. So Rima and adventure island both are proper noun because Rima is a particular name for person, adventure island is a particular or specific name for place. which they have to go. So accordingly you have to do other sentences. I hope you have understood this and you will try this exercise. Thank you.